Henny, Mitutoyo's Data Management and Measurelink Sales Engineer. Today we'll be doing a data collection speed test. Let's see how much more efficient data collection is when we're using Mitutoyo's Bluetooth U-WAVE transmitter. But first, let's establish a baseline with manual data collection by typing these values into the computer. We'll be using our famous air coupling here. We'll measure 3 points, an ID, an OD, and a length. Well, let's go ahead and start our timer and see what we get. Start. So I'll start off with the length here. Take my measurement. I'm at 1.6060. I really have to make sure I don't miss any digits. I don't transpose any numbers. 0.1905. Have to take special care in typing these things in correctly. And last one, 3070. And that brings us to about 29 seconds. We'll say that's 29 seconds. And now let's go ahead and move on and try it with our U-WAVE Bluetooth. So I'll go ahead and snap on our transmitter and connection unit. This will snap right onto our caliper here. And the transmitter is already connected to the computer, so I don't have to worry about making that connection right now. And let's go ahead and reset our timer and try this one more time. And start. Again, I'm going back to the length here. I could really make sure that I'm taking good data. I'm making these measurements correctly because I'm not under the gun for time here. And there we go. At 15 seconds, 16 seconds, I was able to take all 3 measurements here. So I'll go ahead and type that into the computer. And we look at 29 seconds to 16 seconds. Is that, really a big deal? We're just talking about a handful of seconds here. But when we equate that to time, to cost, it really can make a big difference. So we look at our data management savings calculator. I have some random numbers in here. So we're looking at labor costs about $20 per hour. Maybe we're inspecting 80 of these air couplings every single day, and we do it 200 days a year. So when we look at 29 seconds to 16 seconds, we see 17 minutes per day in savings. They may cost at $20 an hour, $5.78 per day. Well, $5, $6 per day, maybe not a big deal, but when we look at over the course of an entire year, we're looking at over $1,000 in savings just by pressing the Mitutoyo button on our U-WAVE Bluetooth caliper. And of course, these accessories come in wired and wireless options, so whatever your needs are, you'll be able to see some sort of cost savings. So go ahead and call your Mitutoyo rep or your authorized Mitutoyo dealer to see how much you can save.